Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. I'm your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and today I'm going to show you a card using up your designer series paper. So I chose this one. I wanted to do kind of a masculine theme, but stick around. I'm going to show you some more feminine ones and then just some everyday ones. So what I did, I took two pieces of my designer series paper. They are front and back, so that's what I like about this card. I have cut them down to 4 by 5 1/4, and that's going to be a little bit less than what the base is. The base is just a black sheet of cardstock cut right in half and then scored in half. So let's go ahead and get that base taken care of. I also have two pieces of basic white, also cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And one is going to be for the inside. So we can go ahead and put that inside right in there right away. And if you want to stamp on there, you can. And we're just going to put that right in here. And now that part is ready to go. We are going to take our two pieces, and this will make two different cards. All you're going to do is you're going to take your trimmer, and you're going to put that at a diagonal. Any type of diagonal you want. I'm just going to go right about here is where I've been kind of going. And I've got that corner right on the edge here. And I just go like that. And now I have these pieces. And of course, I meant to flip one upside down. All right, as you know, you can always count on me to be goofy and goof up somehow. But don't worry, I'll use those pieces on a different card. But I got the two designer series papers again. And what you're going to do is you're going to flip one over. There we go. That is a crucial point to make two different cards. So I'm going to go ahead again. We're going to get these right in our corner there. And then we're going to decide again where we want that. Again, wherever you'd like, just as long as this corner is lined up there. So I'm going to go ahead. Now we've got it right. And I'll show you why they need to be opposite like that. And so that way we can make two different cards. And we're going to have a top and a bottom, and a top and a bottom, just like this. So we will make the first card. And this one, I'm going to be using the Something Fancy. I felt like this one is kind of like a new job, kind of, or maybe even a retirement. So I'm going to use this Congratulations. And I've got myself a piece of basic white. So we are going to stamp that Congratulations. You can do it in the Memento Tuxedo Black. I'm going to try it in Crumb Cake, and we'll see what happens here. I'm going to get that all inked up. And I'm going to try and go right in the center. Hopefully. Nope, that didn't get it right. So we flip it over. I don't want my head to get in there. Okay, for some reason, this just is not working for me. I'm going to go ahead. We're going to try it one more time. I have to look. At this point, you may want to just use the Stamparatus. But we're going to try one more time. Looks like it's a little bit lower. Maybe. You guys, sometimes It just happens sometimes. Okay, there we go. We got it. Just takes a minute. All right, we've got our congratulations. I'd put that in crumb cake. You may also just want to cut it afterwards, which is also an easy way to go. We're going to take that piece of white cardstock that we had. We're going to get some of our multi-purpose glue. And we are going to go ahead and we're going to put glue on the whole entire thing. And then we're going to line these edges up here. Just like that. And that's going to be done. Now, see, if I didn't put the glue here, I could just use the stamp there. And that's what I'll do with those other pieces that I goofed up on. But here, I'm going to take these and line them up. Nice and square there. And now we've got a great piece that matches all together. And then we can take this piece here with our congratulations. I really don't like it, and I want to show you guys how you can do it and not be a little bit crazy there. So I'm going to take a piece that's bigger than what I need. I'm going to get out that crumb cake color again, because I do like the color. We're going to ink it all up. Hold on. I'm still going to just get a piece of, just like this, and then I'm going to just stick it on there the best that I can. Oh my goodness. This is cut a little bit funky. Oh my gosh. I will show you all my mistakes. Do not worry. I'm going to put it down on this side. And don't worry about the piece coming up here. If I cannot get this time, I cannot. Now I'm just getting upset. Don't worry. We will figure this out. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. So this is the piece that's really making me crazy. So at this point, I'm going to take some scissors to it. And get rid of the part that keeps creating a halo. It happens, and it's okay. And then as I put this back on here, I'm going to lay it as straight as possible with the top part that's not cut. All right, we're going to try this one more time. We're going to ink this little guy back up. And again, I'm going to line it up. Oh, there we go. So there is, we're going to get through it, guys. We will get through it. And of course, always, I will show you the mess ups. All right, now we're going to take this and we're going to line up that congratulations. And I hold it down like this. We've got that line there. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. We've got it. We've got the nice line, so we can go ahead and move forward. And I'm looking in here, making sure that it lines up nicely. If it doesn't, we move our paper around and get that to line up. Yep. And now I hold it down with my fingers. Phew! Guys, we did it. This is supposed to be quick and easy. All right. Now, we're not going to worry about the shape, and the reason being, or the little bit of fold in there, is because we're going to take our glue and run it right along that line there. And then you put your congratulations wherever you'd like it. I think I like it up in this corner there. And we just push it down. And then we're going to take our snips. We're going to cut off the pieces that we don't want there anymore. And there we go. So since this is a flat piece, I'm going to pop it up a little bit. So I'm going to get out my black dimensional, since we're using black paper there. And don't forget to stick around, because I am going to show you some others that I made. Remember, we still have 2 other pieces, so we can make a couple other cards if you wanted to. It could be a birthday card, a Father's Day card, whatever you want to do there. And we're just going to pop that up right there. And look at how cute that is. Isn't that cute all on its own? And then I'm going to just take a couple of the gold dots there. And we're going to add one on this side. And we're going to add one on this side. And then I wanted to add a few more on this side, just to make it really nice and fancy. And you can put as many as you want going down this way. So I thought this was really pretty. I hope you like it as well. And let me go ahead and show you a couple of other cards that I did. I used this designer series paper and this one. They're the same, it's just the flip side. I had some leftover little thank yous that I had done in a rainbow in a previous video, so I went ahead and made this one. And then that one has a black piece of paper across this one here, again using that thank you. Because this doesn't have very much to it, I wanted to make sure I added a little bit. This has nothing there. And then I've got 2 more right here. This is a nice little hay there. I have some Melon Mambo and basic black there. And then this one, another hay there, using the flip of that designer series paper. And here I used a piece of the real red ribbon, and I just flipped it around. So I hope you guys like this. If you do, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, and Really, I think that's one of my favorites. I love that, and it makes a great manly card. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!